In terms of regional Victoria, there are far less cases in regional Victoria than there are in Melbourne. Outbreaks have been brought under control. That's a testament to the great work of our contact tracers, our public health teams, but also the great work of regional Victorians over these recent weeks. That's why today, with the exception of Greater Shepparton, we can announce that from 11:59 p.m. tomorrow night, Thursday night, the lockdown will end in regional Victoria, with the exception of Greater Shepparton. Those 5 reasons to leave your home will no longer apply. Schools will reopen for Prep Grade 1, Grade 2, Year 11 studying Year 12 subjects for those subjects, and of course our Year 12s. The rationale behind all of these decisions and what's safe and why these decisions and not others, the Chief Health Officer can go to that in a moment. But businesses will be able to reopen. There will be limits though, as I said, and I've said a number of times now, it's not a snapback, it's not Freedom Day, it's not 100% of capacity down at the pub. It can't be. If it is, then we will simply see numbers spread, and then we'll have to close large parts of regional Victoria down again, and perhaps even all of regional Victoria. We don't want that. We want to do this in a cautious way, but in a positive way, in as optimistic a way as possible. Regional Victorians have done an amazing job. That's why these steps are possible, whether it be in schools for our smallest students and our most senior students, in business, up to 25%, going back into workplaces. If you can work from home, then we ask that you do, but we'll see hospo reopening, all of those things which are critically important. Childcare going back to normal, no more distance limits, no more time limits. There'll be a degree of freedom in regional Victoria that has been hard won. Regional Victorians have done a fantastic job. On Shepparton, we would hope to have Shepparton catch up to the rest of regional Victoria sometime next week, and we'll make those announcements as soon as we have just tidied up the last bits of the outbreak there. The Golden Valley community's done an amazing job, and I thank everybody who's volunteered, everybody who's isolated at home, everybody who's been through that 14-day journey, and of course to all of our staff under the command of Deb Abbott out of EMV and so many others. They've done a fantastic job. Hopefully we can have Greater Shepparton on the same footing as the rest of regional Victoria next week, and the sooner we can do that, the better, and we'll make announcements as soon as we're in a position to make those changes.